Nano Banana 2, the most awaited model, is now here and it's exceeding all the expectation I had from it. Whether it's text, add any images, editing, it's exceeding all expectation. And in this video, I'll show you the different kind of prompts and show you how this model reacts. This model can even create YouTube thumbnail, by the way. So yeah, stay till the end of the video. I'm Aditya and you're watching Skill Curve. So first, let's talk about where to use this model. It's very simple. This is, by the way, the Nano Banana blog, which we'll talk about after some time. Now this is Google Gemini app, and simply here select the image and you're good to go. Yes, there's no need any kind of additional setting. Nano Banana is already inbuilt in every geography, so yeah, don't worry about that. So first prompt I gave is a man playing a Battlefield game. If you don't know, Battlefield game is a venture franchise which generate war games. And okay, the Battlefield actually has the same kind of poster in their advertisement, and Google did it way better. Like, this human playing video game is also very realistic. You can see the outside environment and you can see the Diet Coke cans and all that snacks wrapper. This is insanely real. Look at the text 2042 and Battlefield with the perfect explanation without hallucination. And I'm telling you, this is not just one example. I'll show you different kind of example. For example, look at this image. A lone engineer standing on the top of the skyscrapers, and I gave such a long prompt, so let's see what kind of image we can get. And honestly, this is exceeding all expectation. You can see the cyberpunk kind of style I generated, and it's already nailing it. Look at these futuristic vision, and let me tell you, this might not be tell you the perfect difference between them, but the next image will tell you. So this is like an adorable robot boy repairing a tiny spaceship in his garage, big expressive LED eyes, glossy metal texture. I give this long prompt so you get better idea, and see this Disney Pixar kind of a photo. You can see the cat also wearing that extra astronaut, I don't know what's helmet, and this robotic guy from Pixar movies. And this is insanely clear. Look at the images, it's so clear, it's so crispy. You can see the behind all the architecture and diagram of that rocket ship. And let's go to the next example, and this is insanely good. So it's a macro photograph of a raindrop, resting on the butterfly, showing a microscopic different kind of lens of, it's a kind of water drop bubble on the butterflies wing, and this looks insanely good. I'm telling you, Google Nano Banana 2 Pro nailed this model, and I can tell you that thousands of examples that are going to blow your mind. Okay, this example will personally blow my mind and gonna be your too. So I uploaded this image of a guy from stock photos, and I said make a good thumbnail of the context of the video is Google's new image model, and in few seconds it did this. Look at this, exactly YouTube thumbnail that you actually want to click. It's proper background erasing, proper texture, like a game changer, and you can see barely any text hallucination. Text is very clear written, and I think probably best than Photoshop. Like, if you go to a guy and say just build a thumbnail for this Photoshop, I don't think they will use such kind of prompt with proper logo, proper different image examples in the example itself. And that's what I'm talking about, that this entire Google Banana Pro is insanely good. Okay, another image I made for the photograph advertisement purpose. Like I said, a silver and red metallic fluid splashing around, elegant cursive text saying Coke Zero, ice cold condensation, droplets, ultra refreshing mode, glossy texture. And look at this image first. You will be blown away that it has such an insane cursive writing text of Coke Zero with splashy, drink with silver and red color. And I'm really amazed the detail the Nano Banana Pro model is giving. Like, look at the background, a little bit silver, a little bit blackish, and that's what I'm talking about. This Nano Banana Pro is exceeding all expectation. I cannot even, find any kind of, weakness in this model's images. I'm trying my best, but all the photos it's generating is so crisp, so fresh. Okay, another image did of a product, like a playful white and black package aesthetic of a random bites written it, and chunky friendly letters with milk splash effect. So I generated a cookie audio advertisement, but I said random bite should be the name. And look at this image. You cannot say this is not clicked by a professional camera or photographer photo shoot. This is by the Google Banana Nano Pro, and if you make this from Nano Banana 1, it will not look good because that model was not good when it comes to text and also imaginative stuff. Okay, I generated another product with a hello blue name text wrapping around transparent glossy bottle with ice cubes floating, blue liquid splashes, cold condensation droplets, and look at this water brand. This is looking seriously fresh. I just just want to drink this water for a literally. And this is what I'm saying, Google's Nano Banana 2 is exceeding the concept. Okay, another hyper-realistic photograph of 4-dimensional room. I rendered 3D space where walls fold themselves through Azure-like portals. And let me tell you, this example is very hard to make for any model, and I think the Nano Banana did a very well job here. I'm not saying this is gonna be the best or the best, but Nano Banana 2 actually did some kind of good thing here. Like for example, the details here of the shadows, the different kind of reflection of the same guy with same consistency, which is pretty hard to maintain by the way for any new image model. Okay, another image I made, a surreal infinite library spiraling upward like a shell, every book glowing faintly like titles are legible but not exist. And look at this example, this is like almost a galaxy brain with almost a big library. And one thing you can see, you can also read those names, but they're pretty blurry, and they are pretty blurry intentionally. So yeah, you are now getting an idea that we can also create some kind of imaginative stuff with beyond our expectation. Stock footage example, and I say, hey, can we make a LinkedIn headshot of this photo with formal etc, and look at this, what we got. We get a formal, proper dress up LinkedIn headshot. So if you're someone who wants to create a LinkedIn shot of you without spending a lot of photo shoot, I think Google Banana Pro is there for you. Okay, another image which not everyone's talking about, I made a photorealistic human face in a profile, but the skin is formed thousands of tiny individuals standing together like pixel. It's a kind of very documentary stuff kind of photo, and I would say Google not did a very well job here, because I was expecting large amount of people, but overall it's still better than I think the most model previously did it. Okay, another image I have is a massive dragonfly with a fully transparent crystal skin, revealing entire functioning cities inside its body, skyscrapers, rapes, and you can read all the prompt entirely. And gosh, this looks so clean, like the entire dragon has a city, and it's pretty transparent, translucent, and it's on like kind of a different, I don't know, it's Himalaya or what, I don't know what kind of mountain is this, but what I'm telling you that Google Nano Banana Pro has nailed every genre of images. Okay, another generated an impossible image of a painter in a subtle studio painting a dream version of themselves who's painting another dream version. So it's a kind of recursion image where they are painting each other, and it's going infinitely, which is itself is a very hard concept. If you're someone who knows coding, you know recursion itself is a pretty complex topic, and this image I think pretty did well. Like I can three of them, and maybe the loop goes on, who knows, right? It's all imaginative sometimes. But okay, let's come to some creativity. I said redesign the Instagram logo, and it did pretty good job by designing Instagram logo. One thing I can say is in background it also added some kind of reels, photos, the main aesthetic of Instagram. I think this Google's model is pretty intelligent, and pretty also one thing you can notice is also things. So yeah, if I say like make a website, it's thinking currently focused on the visual style, hero section. Now it's formulating design specs, and this is what I'm talking. I said generate a simple landing page, and it did a pretty good job here. I said the brand name would be XYZ, and it did pretty good job here. However, I can see there are some kind of hallucination text here, but it's still very good. I said another colorful landing page with gradients, headline, build better with XYZ, abstract with different examples. So it did also a very cool job here. However, one thing you can notice is that it has a menu with hallucination text like about text, static stick, logs. I don't know they exist in real life of any website, but overall I would say this model is still a good model. And the last image, but not the least image, I said a glowing holographic logo shaped like cube and written on XYZ. So one thing I can be very sure now, that this model does not hallucinate and go error with the text. It's pretty good at text now. Now let's go to the blog model, and here you can see some of the examples too. For example, you can see this input image, and we said infographic of a common house plant, a string of turtles with origins of growth patterns, and it actually generated a different kind of brochure to say what to do and what to not do, all that stuff. It also generated an entire recipe with a proper book style like Canva, ingredients, make elaichi chai, and it's also generated comic stuff, okay, what I'm seeing that it's pretty good at text now. And so now it's almost useless to say it's not good at text. It also can translate stuff. So yeah, for example, this is written in this refresh and revive. What we say, we just translated it into the Korean and typography, and I can say that this model is doing wonders with text, and people are gonna use it like crazy. You can also see this ingredient feature wherein we just inputted different kind of photos, assets, and it comes with better outputs. And this is what I'm saying. This is guys Nano Banana Pro. And if you like this video, I would say go and comment what you like the most about this Nano Banana Pro and what kind of images images you guys are making, because we want to know like what kind of images you're making, and also comment what kind of video you want in the next video, and what kind of use cases you want from us to make video for you.
If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.